there was no order from the court for my bail. I informed them. Paulit-ulit ko sinabi sa kanila na nagpiyansa na ako. Nagmakaawa ako sa mga pulis na wag na nila i-serve ang warrant of arrest kasi wala doon ako sa bahay. In fact, I have my audio recording to that just to prove that I'm very truthful to my word. Pero tinuloy pa rin nila para mapahiya po ako. At obvious naman po, Your Honor, that all these are all politically motivated.
Upload doon sa query ni Kongkit saka ni Chairman ako. Actually, Hepe, nung tinanong ka kanina ni Chairman Akop that of course you have to check to the origin of such warrant, di ba? So that is the court.
Yes, sir.
Tama ba pagkarinig do? At yung presumption mo na chinek din ng warrant officer mo?
Opo, sir, opo.
Oh, that's your presumption. Di ba?
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
Tinanong ba mo siya kung na-check niya mismo?
Opo, sir, opo.
O anong sagot niya? Tinek, di ba?
Yes, sir, chinek niya po, sir.
Pero sa laysay niya, sa warrant lang eh. And he cannot check on that moment because that's 8 o'clock in the evening. Walang opisina. Di ba? Now, pangalawa, warrant officer, tama ba ang pagkarinig ko kanina? Though wala si e-warrant, may information kang nakuha na nakapag-bail na?
Yes, sir.
Kanino?
Sir, dun po sa dating pulis sa barangay po, na nakakasako po sa barangay San Antonio.
Dating pulis.
No, sir. Dati pong nakasign sa San Pedro City Police Station.
O, ba't alam niya na nakapag-bail na?
Nagtanong po rin ako sa kanya, sir. Kasi meron po siyang mga access sa mga taong malalapit po kay Kapitan.
Okay, anyway, so, yung pulis na yon, active in duty, nakakuha ng information na si Kapatan ay nakapag-bail na.
Iyon po ang sabi niya, sir.
Anong oras yun?
Sir, mga around, ganun din po, mga 8 po.
Almost
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
in that hour.
Sunod-sunod po yun, sir.
Sunod-sunod.
Yes, sir.
Did you inform your chief of police?
Yes, sir.
O ano, pakikwento nga. Paano mo siya, paano mo...
Sir, ang inanap niyo po sa akin is yung proof.
Hindi, sorry,
Yes,
to
sir.
cut you short. Pakikwento nga, paano mo sinabi kay Hepe na, ayun, may information ka.
Sir, meron po akong natanggap na information na posible po na nakapagpiyansa na po si Kapitan Jun Inyon. Pero however, wala rin naman po ako may pakikitang ano sa inyo, any proof or hard copy or order na nanggaling po sa court mismo.
Pero ikaw, that information coming from a police officer which is not assigned anymore in San Pedro,
Yes, sir.
which has access to barangay captain, ikaw personal, anong tingin mo doon?
Dahil
Totoo
po
ba?
sir sa matagal na siyang PSP po ng barangay San Antonio, definitely po marami na po siyang naging kaibigan.
So ikaw mismo,
Yes, sir.
ikaw mismo naniniwala doon, that very moment, though walang proof.
Posible, sir.
No.
Yes, sir.
No, hindi pwedeng posible
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Naniniwala ka ba doon sa information o hindi?
Yes, sir.
O kaya nga, sinabi mo kay Hepe.
Yes, sir.
Now, Hepe, may informasyon na pala na nakapag-bail na. Ba't tinuloy mo pa?
Sir,
Second, sinabi mo kanina, kilala mo si Kapitan, siguro naman, hindi naman to tatakas, may numero ka pa, may information pa na binato sa iyo yung warrant officer mo, ba't hindi mo tinawagan si Kapitan? Di ba?
opo, sir.
O ba't hindi mo tinawagan? Ito may information pa. Doon walang dokumentong hawak kasi hindi nakapost doon. Walang record sa e-warrant. Pero may information. And that information was given to you by your warrant officer. Hindi lang simpleng ibang police officer, by your warrant officer. Ba't hindi mo tinawagin si Kapitan o hindi man lang paliban mo na. the following day na lang. Tapos, gabi na, sinerve nyo. Di ba? Eh, ako fair ako dito Pero pag ganyan, Epe, hindi ako maniwala na sa sarili mo yon. What is your interest to serve that warrant of arrest to a barangay captain, elected barangay captain, and a legitimate businessman in San Pedro City? Anong interest mo doon? Just to serve it? Then ikaw pa? Ikaw mismo nandun? Di ba? Ako, sinasabi ko, ayaw ko ng politika, I am very fair, even in my committee. Pero sa kanyang Yepe, hindi mo ako pwedeng paniwalain na sarili mo yon. Because in line of duty, dapat mong gawin. Pwede mong gawing bukas. Gabi. Ako, tingin ko lang dito, you just want to serve it. Kung walang bail, kulong si Kapitan. Mapahiya si Kapitan. Kaso, di ba, hindi naman criminal case. Wala. Kaya, are you still the chief of police?
Not anymore po, sir.
Bakit ka na-relieve?
To give way for the investigation po, sir. Nung
Pending
may
this?
may admin case po, sir.
What is your admin case?
Grave misconduct, sir.
Grave misconduct with regards to what?
And grave irregularity. Dun sa,
Sa anong kaso?
dito po, sir, sa issue
Ito?
po din. Opo, sir.
Kailan? Kailan ka na-relieve?
June 6 po, sir.
June 6?
Opo, sir.
So, at least RD, na-relieve na pala to. Dapat na talaga. Kasi, RD, ako diretsuhin kita. Hindi ako maniwala doon. Na kusang loob yun ni Epe. In line of duty, gagawin niya. Kaya lang, siyempre, pwede mong gawin that time because akala mo, pwede niyong lusutan. Ito ngayon, may congressional investigation. Di ba? Malabo, Epe. Malabo, nasabihin mo dito sa komite na ginawa mo yon dahil obligasyon mong gawin yon. So ngayon, naka-Navy ka, floating.
Opo, sir.
Buti naman. Thank you, Chairman.
Thank you. The Honorable Flores is recognized.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. I'd just like to ask the chairman, Inyon, if after you posted bail, did you in any way inform the police officers in your locality that you already posted bail?
Yes, Your Honor.
How did you inform them? And who did you inform?
I sent a copy of the court order to a police officer named Leo Taladtad.
Leo Taladtad.
Who is the police officer that I think Officer Balmas is referring to, and I think he was also there. You know, I got a message from Leo Taladtad that he received a notice of my warrants of arrest, and I sent him immediately the court order. The copy of the court order, which I have it all in my phone.
All in your phone. But the information that you forwarded was just a soft copy of the
It's just
order.
a soft copy. In fact, I even called them up and then pleaded with them to inform the jefe, the chief of police, and all I got was a statement from Officer Leo Taladtad that the chief of police already received the order, but he was
soft
like
copy.
the soft copy, and he was just like saying, according to this police officer, na magpanggap na lang tayo na hindi natin natanggap yan kasi wala pa naman tayong hard copy niyan at ituloy natin yung aresto.
Okay, thank you, Chairman. Now, Sergeant, ano yun? Balmas? What's your rank? I'm sorry? Sorry, Mr. Chair. Balmas, what's your rank? Chairman, can you turn off your mic? Thank you. There.
Can you kindly turn off the other mic?
Sir, good morning
Kasi
po.
medyo...
Sir.
Okay, go ahead.
Sir, Police Executive Master Sergeant, sir.
Master Sergeant, the police officer mentioned by the chairman, Taladtad, the person whom you were referring to,
Yes, sir.
na siya yung nag-inform sa inyo na parang may nagpiyansa na or something like that?
Yes, sir.
And were you forwarded a soft copy of the order granting bail to the chairman Inyon?
Hindi ko na po
Hindi
na-receive,
naman.
sir.
Did you ask for it? Hiningi mo ba?
Hindi na ako nagkaroon ng pagkakataon, sir, kasi at around 8:55 nag-decide na po si Hepe na
Okay.
ituloy yung operation.
But lahat ng information na nakuha mo from what's the name of the police officer? Leo Taladtad. Nirelay mo naman kay Hepe.
Yes, sir.
Sa pagkaalam mo na
Sa
nirelay mo
pagkakaalam,
properly.
sir.
Okay,
Yes,
now, side question lang, Master Sergeant Balmas. Ilan yung mga pending warrants na nasa office ninyo as the warrant officer?
Sir, sa latest tally po, ang San Pedro CCPS po ay may 1,000 mahigit, sir.
1,000 mahigit?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Na ilan yung warrants na natanggap mo on that particular day?
Sir, yun lang po.
Yun lang.
Yung
Prior to
dalawa.
that, the day before or the week before, ilan? Sa maalala mo lang.
Hindi ko po, sir, alam yung exact, sir, figure.
Pero may natatanggap kayo.
Opo.
And in-action na naman ganun kabilis ng hepe ninyo. Lahat ng warrants.
Yes, sir, immediately po.
With all the police officers and SWAT teams na dinadala.
Usually po, kami lang po.
Kayo
Warrant
lang?
po. Yes, sir.
So,
Warrant personnel
in this
lang po.
particular case, was it like unusual na ang hepe nyo talaga at dala-dala pang ilang personahe ng police ang sinama just to enforce this warrant? O normal ba yan na ginagawa ng isang hepe ng police station?
Sir, it is his call, sir. I won't comment on that, sir.
You won't comment? No, based on your factual lang naman to eh. I'm not asking you for your opinion. I mean, your experience, every time you receive a warrant, you said, actionan nyo agad. But usually, kayo lang ang nag-action. Opisina nyo lang.
Yes, sir.
Tama, di ba?
Yes, sir.
Usually.
Yes, sir.
But in this particular case, na-forward mo sa hepe nyo, alam ng hepe nyo na may information, although hindi validated siguro, na nag-bail na, yet siya mismo ang nag-lead sa enforcement ng warrant, dala pa ang 20 or more personnel ng police station niyo. Tama ba?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now, PRD. Based on the testimonies given right now, would you say that it was... what would your comment be, RD, on how your chief of police acted on this matter?
Good morning, Your Honor. There should have been due diligence in the serving of the warrant, considering that the subject of the warrant is a barangay chairman and unknown businessman in San Pedro, Your Honor.
More so that there was already information related to him that he already posted bail on that day. Is that correct, RD?
Your Honor, yung e-warrant po kasi, pag nakapag-bail po yung
I understand,
tao is
RD,
automatic
ang akin lang naman is that he was informed, supposedly, that there were reports that he already posted bail. Would it
Yes.
have been incumbent upon the chief of police to at least ascertain the truth or veracity of the fact that he already posted bail?
Yes, Your Honor. That's why ang sinabi ko dapat may due diligence doon sa pag-serve pa po ng warrant, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Chair. Thank you, RD.
Okay, thank you so much. Captain Juninyon. Go ahead.
Your Honor, I just want to add lang that there was no presumption of that there was no order from the court for my bail. I informed them. Paulit-ulit ko sinabi sa kanila na nagpiyansa na ako. Nagmakaawa ako sa mga pulis na wag na nila i-serve ang warrant of arrest kasi wala doon ako sa bahay. In fact, I have my audio recording to that just to prove that I'm very truthful to my word. pero tinuloy pa rin nila para mapahiya po ako. At obvious naman po, Your Honor, that all these are all politically motivated. I am politically persecuted. That's all, Your Honor.